So today's po is Siemens TIA Portal and IP configuration with basic ladder instructions. So tara guys.
Gagawin lang po natin is i-open ulit natin yung ating TIA Portal version 16 or yung any backup file. So meron ako ditong backup file. I-open ko lang ito. Then open the file. So highlight lang natin yung file na nais natin i-open. So open the project view. So nandito na tayo sa ating main server. At if nais po natin i-check yung ating online access, so proceed lang tayo dito sa ating online access. Open. I-check natin if there is a connectivity between our laptop and our CPU. So ang connection natin is the converter ASICs. So i-click lang natin yung converter ASICs. Then i-update natin kung ano yung update the accessible device, so that i-determine niya kung sino yung online, kung saan tayo pwedeng makapasok dun sa CPU. So ito yung ating PLC 1 at 192.168.0.1. I-open lang natin yun. Online diagnostic tayo. So click yung online diagnostic. As you can see doon sa ating functions, so paano ba, so ang ating tema ngayon is to IP configuration diagnostic. So punta lang tayo dito sa ating functions, assign IP address, kung saan dito tayo pwedeng mag-change ng ating IP address. So kung kailangan natin i-change into some other IP address, you can put in assign the IP address. Pwede na po yan at good for downloading na. So i-download nyo into CPU yung IP address kung saan sinet mo yung IP address. So makikita din natin dito is yung time natin. Always click yung take from the PC in PG in PC para mag-automatic into time zone. So nandito rin yung makikita natin yung firmware ng ating local modules. If you click the PLC, so ang PLC natin is firmware 4.4.1. And the local modules, ibig sabihin yung local modules natin, itong local modules na to is yung dalawang naka-inputs. So as your topology, pwede rin tayong mag-reset factory settings if required. So delete lang natin yung IP address, then put another IP address or reset everything. Kung may memory card ka, so meron dito yan memory card sa loob. If we remove this top, may memory po dyan, i-insert natin memory card. Then so yun, yun ang ating IP address configuration. Assign IP address, dyan tayo pwedeng mag-change ng ating IP address. So ngayon, proceed tayo sa basic ladder instructions. So proceed lang ako dito sa ating PLC 1_1 CPU 1212C AC/DC relay. Then, of course, na online diagnostic na natin. Go online tayo. So, by clicking the go online button. So, yun na. Naka-online na tayo under the 192.168.0.1. So, hindi ko naman talaga pinalitan yung IP address, but pinakita ko sa inyo how to configure the IP address. Then, proceed for PLC tagging. So magmamapping tayo ng ating tags is doon ko muna siya ilalagay sa default tags. As you remember before, doon sa mga previous vlogs ko, kung pupunta ka sa device network, from here itself, device, from dito, edit, properties, then IO tags, makikita natin kung ano yung possible na pwede natin gamitin doon sa tags na mayroon dito sa ating main CPU at mayroon din doon sa ating tawag dito sa ating expansion. So, balik tayo dun sa ating device. Diagnostic tayo ulit. So, ito naman yung ating expansion na meron tayong 16DI at 16DO 24 volt DC. Kung i-click ulit natin ito, i-click natin ito, then find properties, then IO tags. Ito yung mga possible na pwede natin gamitin na tags. So nagmapping na ako ng some of the outputs in inputs. So gagawin na lang tayo ng ating basic instructions. So dire-diretso na to guys hanggang sa matapos natin yung mga ibang instructions. So gula ako doon sa ating program blocks, main OB. So pag nakita nyo to guys, wala tayong makitang rank. So just click this rank button so that magkaroon tayo ng ating beginning ladder logics. So ang tawag guys dito sa normally open, sa Siemens pala, ang terms niya ginagamit sa normally open is talaga normally open. Unlike with the AB, ang tawag doon is hindi normally open, kundi examine on or XIC. So ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung difference ng instruction. So ito yung ating normally open, contact. If sa shortcut natin is Shift plus F2. Then ito yung ating normally closed, contact. And this is our assignment or the output. Empty box, bridge, open branch, close branch. So guys, yun ang basic instruction dito sa general bit. Nasa general bit siya at the right side of ating TIA portal. So gawa tayo ng instructions with output. So kailangan natin ng meron tayo dito yung start, stop, and emergency. So I need the normally open, normally open, normally open, and one output. And this is my emergency. And this is my start. This is also my stop. At ang aking output is yung ating green light. So represent coil or relay papunta ng motor. So, kailangan ko ng open branch and isang normally open for my holding coil. Connect it into the main branch, and this will be my green. So I want it to, what I will going to do is when I press the start push button, the green light will be healthy and my yellow or orange tower light will be off during the green light is healthy. So I need the normally close, then I will use the green light here, and I need the output, and this is my yellow or orange. And of course, when I press the emergency push button, so it means the normally close, ang red light naman mag-activate. So this is my red light. So ready na tayo for ating download. So how to download? First, we need to compile our entire projects, and we have here is the download to device. It means our project from the software goes to our CPU, and we have the upload from device if we need something, a backup file coming from the online CPU, so we can use the upload from a device. So for the meanwhile, we will going to download it. Load. So in order for us to monitor what is happening to our logic diagram, so we can on the monitor on off button. So this is so I need to change the emergency into a normally close in online mode, in online mode. So what I will going to do is double click the instruction and replace the normally close. In order for us not to disturb our running CPU, I will go right click with my CPU and download to a device software only changes, then load. So this is the one. Then we will go into test it. Start. So proceed to a green light, then stop, then start again, then emergency. So that is our basic ladder instructions. So thank you guys for watching my YouTube, and hopefully gagawa tayo ng additional instructions to this existing program using the timer and counter. Then after the timer and counter, we will proceed to comparator and math control. So thank you so much guys. Have a nice